and welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to SSH remote access into a Linux virtual machine. To do so, you will first need to launch a deployment that contains a Linux virtual machine. If you'd like to review how to launch a deployment or how to create one, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or in the video description down below. But if you've already launched your Linux virtual machine, click on it under Available Runs. Click the asset card. You can see who has remote access into your virtual machine. You can also find the agent logs and an option to resize your virtual machine. Below that, you will see your credentials, which you will need to remote access into your system. To do so, click Connect. Select SSH Remote Access. Enter your credentials. And there you are. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.